Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can tell from the title, I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this look with this palette. This is from a small business. If you guys have been following me for like 2 years now, I want to say back in 2020, I discovered this small business. It's luckylashesco, and I do have some videos on my channel using their palette. So what I'm doing now is that basically I'm trying to use all the eyeshadow palettes that I have, and I thought what a better idea than writing all the palettes that I have, giving them a number, and then going into Google and using the number generator, and then the number that I get, I'm gonna look up on the paper the palette that has that number, and I'm gonna use it because I'm such a undecisive person that I just can't choose a palette. So I thought that was a fun idea for my social medias and for me to use my palettes and try to get out of my comfort zone like I did today. And it was time for this baby. I want to say that honestly, it's really good. It never disappoints. Eyelashes has like a really good pigmentation and formula. Like, look at this makeup. Like, you know, it was so easy to blend, it was so easy to use, and I'm impressed. Also, I'm impressed that I went out of my comfort zone with the cream because it's not really a color that I usually go towards. So yeah, when I opened, I was like, I'm definitely gonna use these two shades because I mixed them both for the lid. But yeah, I would like those two. I have to wear them. So anyways, so yeah, I want to say that. So before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow me on my social medias. Don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a video. And let's get started with the video. I already did my eyebrows. I prep and set my eyelids with some concealer, and the first shade that I'm going to be taking is this purple one, which is called La Borracha, and I'm taking a Wet n Wild brush, and it's just a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply, I'm going to pack all the color right here, creating like a circular shape. The next color that I'm using is Chicanx, which is like a little darker, like hot pink, because it's different than this one. It's a little darker. I'm going to be using two brushes. I'm going to be using the Morphe M433 and the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS12. And with this one, I'm going to be packing the shade, and this one I'm going to be blending it out, because what we want is to get rid of this harsh line, to not just, we just want to blend it with that pink color. Now what I'm going to do, now that I have both eyes done, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm basically going to cut the whole crease. Like, I'm not doing a half cut crease or nothing like that. I'm going to do like a circle with the concealer. Now that my eye looks like that, I'm going to be taking these two shades, which are 90s Vibe and Memory Lane, and I'm going to pack those shades on the where I cut the crease to set it. So I don't know how I'm feeling about this makeup. It's totally out of my comfort zone, especially because of that green color. But I'ma just continue, you know. I'ma go for it because I don't know if there's just something that is throwing me off. I don't know if it's the lashes, if it needs an eyeliner, if it needs glitter. I don't know, but I'm gonna just go with it. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some eyeliner because I just want to line my eyelid so I can put the lashes, and you know there's something there for the lashes. So I'm gonna use this liner that is from Prosa. This is a Mexican brand, but it's really good. I don't know if I want to add the pink or if I want to add like an orange to the bottom lash line. I'm gonna think about it. I decided to go for the pink just because I'm a little scared to go into the orange because I don't want to mess it up. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So this is what it looks like. I really like that I went into the purple and the pink, and I love it. So now I'm gonna add some mascara. This is a Mexican, from the same Mexican brand, but I mean any mascara is gonna do. Okay, so lastly I'm gonna add some liner to my waterline. I'm using the Tresluce liner in Fuerte. This is just the black one, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight on my inner corner because I want it to like pop. So this is the end result. If you tell me I slayed this makeup. At first I was like, I don't know if I like it or not, just because the green, like, it's something completely out of my comfort zone. Well, I do like dark green, but this is like a lime light green, so I wasn't sure how it was gonna look with the pink and the purple, but if you ask me, it looks freaking good. I love it. I'm obsessed, and you know, trust the process. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.